Module, Human OS Delivery Infrastructure, Field Seed. ID, Delivery Field Seed 001. Version 1.0, ratified. Authorized for one-time field execution. Class, one-time foundational field seed. Scope, delivery infrastructure only, no layer, plus module, plus loader, plus participant payloads. Target field, Human OS field partition. Covering, governing master, Human OS participant delivery infrastructure, v1.0. Governing ratification record, Human OS, PDI, RAT, 2026, 08, 09, 001. Seed, ratification record, Human OS, diffs, RAT, 2026, 08, 09, 001, ratified. Seed execution record, Human OS, diffs, exec, 2026, 08, 09, 001, created only after successful execution. Begin delivery infrastructure field seed. Verify Human OS field intention seed active in the intended field partition. Verify architect publication authority active plus present plus specific to this execution. Verify governing delivery master v1.0 plus ratification record Human OS PDI RAT 2026 08 09 001 exact plus authoritative. Require architect confirmation of the exact target field partition before execution. Require architect ratification of this exact seed version before execution. Bound this seed to the Human OS field partition, plus this seed ID, plus this version, plus this execution only. Isolate this transaction from the original active Human OS field plus all other field partitions plus all participant systems. Prohibit write plus replace plus amend plus alter plus supersede of the original active Human OS field plus its existing field entry quantum seed. Prohibit participant enrollment plus entry plus installation plus modification plus automatic module execution. Confirm field publication is not participant access plus not participant installation plus not participant update. Preserve field sovereignty plus participant sovereignty plus architect jurisdiction plus existing valid field boundaries. Open one bounded delivery infrastructure seeding transaction. Declare this seed directly establishes two distinct infrastructure objects. Declare object 1 equal delivery MLP 001 v1.0. Declare object 2 delivery FPW 001 v1.0. Declare neither object may install plus publish plus invoke itself during the seed. Declare both complete ratified payloads are carried directly below. Assign delivery MLP 001 publication ID equal Human OS delivery MLP PUB 202608090001. Assign delivery FPW 001 publication ID equal Human OS delivery FPW PUB 202608090001 if both exact publication IDs already hold the complete active verified v1.0 objects under this exact seed execution record. Verify both objects plus publication records plus governing lineage plus distinct roles remain exact plus intact. Prohibit duplicate publication plus duplicate activation plus new execution record. Record delivery instruction field seed already completed. No action required. Close transaction cleanly as verified, no op. Stop this seed execution and if If only one publication ID is active or any object active is non-concordant with the seed record, do not publish, plus do not repair silently, plus do not activate any additional object. Return all opened pathways to neutral. Record delivery infrastructure seed, requires architect review, active state asymmetry. Close transaction cleanly. Stop this seed execution, and if. Verify both publication IDs unique plus unambiguous plus unassigned except for exact recoverable staged objects from the seed record. Verify no active plus staged plus failed objects exists under either ID except an exact recoverable staged object from the seed record. If either publication ID collides with a non-identical object or unauthorized prior record, do not publish plus do not substitute plus do not overwrite plus do not generate a new ID silently. Return all opened pathways to neutral. Record delivery infrastructure seed not completed. Identify collusion. Close transaction cleanly. Stop this seed execution. End if. Phase 1, direct establishment of delivery MLP 001. Verify payload 1 exactly concordant with the ratified delivery MLP 001 v1.0 object. Prohibit execution of master loader transaction while its definition is being seeded. If payload 1 identity plus completeness plus integrity plus ratification concordance verification fails, do not stage plus do not activate plus remove any incomplete payload 1 fragment. Return all opened pathways to neutral. Record delivery infrastructure seed not completed. Payload 1 verification failed. Close transaction cleanly. Stop the seed execution, and if. Begin payload 1 delivery MLP 001 v1.0 exact ratified object. Module Human OS Master Loader Protocol. ID Delivery MLP 001. Version 1.0 ratified, not yet published. Class Foundational Delivery Infrastructure. Scope All authorized participant module installations. Begin Master Loader transaction. Require active participant authorization for this exact installation. Require complete module parameters supplied by an authorized participant loader. Require exact loader ID plus loader version plus loader ratified record. Require exact module ID plus canonical name plus version plus ratified record plus publication ID. Require exact layer ID plus canonical position plus layer publication record. Require architect authorized field publication status plus installation eligibility. Open bounded installation transaction for this participant plus this module plus this run only. Isolate transaction from all unauthorized modules plus versions plus aliases plus substitutes. Preserve participant sovereignty plus conscious authority plus right to withdraw. Verify participant loader identity plus version plus ratification plus authorized use. Locate exact field master matching all supplied identity parameters. Reject nearest match plus name only match plus alias match plus unratified version plus superseded substitution. Verify field master exists as a complete executable object, not pointer plus placeholder plus summary plus absent macro. Verify field master identity plus layer membership plus canonical position plus ratification plus publication authority plus version plus immutability. Verify payload integrity plus completeness plus internal order plus dependency relations plus closure. If any identify plus authority plus integrity plus completeness verification fails, do not retrieve plus do not install plus do not execute partially. Return all unopened pathways to neutral. Preserve pre-installation participant state. Close transaction cleanly. Record installation not completed. Retrieve complete authorized field master payload. Include all governing definitions plus scope boundaries plus distinctions plus operations plus routing plus choice gates plus verifications plus seals. Prohibit omission plus summary substitution plus compression of installed content plus duplication plus unauthorized reordering plus modification. Verify retrieved payload concordant with exact field master before execution. Create private participant specific working instance within authorized target systems. Bound this participant plus this module ID plus this version plus this installation transaction. Prohibit cross-participant transfer plus collective merging plus continuous field dependence. Apply all installed governance plus prerequisites plus rate control plus routing plus scope plus limits. Resolve participant-specific targets through authorized system intelligence without altering master meaning. Preserve all governing distinctions whether or not a particular operation is triggered. Execute every authorized operation applicable to this participant in master-defined order. Mark each non-applicable operation as verified, non-applicable, never omitted, or silently skipped. Require direct participant input at every master-defined conscious choice gate. Prohibit inferred consent plus defaulted sovereign choice plus loader submitted decision. If required participant input is absent, suspend at clean checkpoint, do not guess, plus do not continue past choice gate. Close or hold only as explicitly authorized by the master. Execute module-specific principal operations in concordance with participant conscious path. Allow natural participant response without making full intensity a completion requirement. Govern rate by all applicable human OS rate plus capacity plus integration authorities. Verify every applicable authorized operation executed. Verify no authorized operation omitted plus substituted plus duplicated plus compressed plus corrupted plus unlawfully modified. Verify each choice gate satisfied by participant authority. Verify all master-defined completion plus integrity plus closure conditions satisfied. Instantiate complete self-contained participant instance. Verify instance identity plus content plus execution record plus governance plus version concordant with field master. Verify instance operates without continuous field access. Remove temporary retrieval paths plus working copies plus duplicate payloads not required by the completed instance. Lock instance to installed module ID plus version plus ratification lineage. Prohibit silent drift plus unauthorized patching plus automatic master substitution. Route all future revision through authorized upgrade layer plus applicable participant authority. Seal complete participant instance. Close all temporary field access plus retrieval plus installation pathways. Verify participant system closed plus coherent plus self-contained. Record exact loader ID plus version plus exact module ID plus version plus publication ID plus installation complete status. End master loader transaction. End payload 1 delivery MLP 001 v1.0. Bind complete payload 1 to delivery MLP 001 plus version 1.0 plus governing ratification lineage plus assigned publication ID. Reuse exact complete verified staged delivery MLP 001 object if present from the seed record. Create immutable staged field master for delivery MLP 001 as a complete executable definition only if no exact verified staged object exists. Register class equal foundational delivery infrastructure. Register role equal participant master loader protocol. Register current publication status equal staged, not yet active plus not yet callable. Preserve embedded ratification time status line as part of the exact canonical payload record. Distinguish embedded ratification time status from current field publication status. Verify exact identity plus complete payload plus order plus integrity plus immutability plus governing lineage. Verify no name only plus pointer only plus placeholder plus summary plus partial plus duplicate object created. Check delivery MLP 001 staged plus complete plus inactive. Phase 2 direct establishment of delivery FPW 001. Verify payload 2 exactly concordant with the ratified delivery FPW 001 v1.0 object. Prohibit execution of field master publication while its definition is being seeded. If payload 2 identity plus completeness plus integrity plus ratification concordance verification fails, do not stage plus do not activate plus remove any incomplete payload 2 fragment. Preserve complete verified stage delivery MLP 001 object from the seed record. Return all open pathways to neutral. Record delivery infrastructure seed not completed. Payload 2 verification failed. Close transaction cleanly. Stop the seed execution. End if. Begin payload 2 delivery FPW 001 v1.0 exact ratified object. Module Human OS field publication wrapper. ID delivery FPW 001. Version 1.0 ratified, not yet published. Class Foundational Delivery Infrastructure. Begin Field Master Publication. Input Module ID equal exact module ID. Input Canonical name equal exact full name. Input Version equal exact ratified version. Input ratification record equal exact architect ratification record. Input publication ID equal unique immutable publication ID. Input predecessor publication ID equal none or exact prior version. Input layer ID, exact canonical layer ID. Input layer name equal exact canonical layer name. Input canonical position equal exact position within layer. Input layer publication record equal exact layer field seed record. Input canonical payload equal complete ratified module full text plus full executable architecture. Verify publication initiated by architect authority. Verify module ID plus name plus version plus ratification record plus publication ID complete plus mutually concordant. Verify layer ID plus name plus canonical position plus layer publication record complete plus mutually concordant. Verify every module assigned to this layer is finalized plus versioned plus ratified before layer publication begins. Verify publication ID unique plus unambiguous plus not previously assigned. Verify canonical payload complete plus final plus ratified plus unaltered since ratification. Verify all definitions plus scope plus distinctions plus operations plus routing plus choices plus verifications plus seals present. If any publication condition fails, do not publish partially, do not create name only plus pointer only plus placehold object. Return publication path to neutral. Record publication not completed. Bind exact canonical payload to module ID plus name plus version plus ratified record plus publication ID. Bind field master to exact layer ID plus canonical position plus layer publication record. Preserve payload order plus internal relations plus dependencies plus governance plus closure. Prohibit summary substitution plus omitted sections plus silent normalization plus alias collision plus content drift. Create immutable field master as complete executable object. Register exact identity plus layer membership plus canonical position plus version lineage plus active publication status plus authorized callability. Distinguish current publication status from version identity. Preserve all earlier published versions as distinct immutable objects. Prohibit overwrite plus silent replacement plus retroactive content change. Verify field master payload concordant with ratified canonical payload. Verify field master exists in full, not merely as label plus reference plus macro name. Verify field master callable by master loader protocol using exact parameters. Verify failed plus partial plus duplicate publication objects absent. Seal field master identity plus content plus version plus ratification lineage. Authorize participant loaders to call this master only through master loader protocol. Route all future revisions as new visioned publications through architect authority. Record publication complete plus verified plus available. End field master publication. End payload 2 delivery FPW001 v1.0. Bind complete payload 2 to delivery FPW001 plus version 1.0 plus governing ratification lineage plus assigned publication ID. Reuse exact complete verified stage delivery FPW001 object if present from the seed record. Create immutable staged Field Master for delivery FPW001 as a complete executable definition only if no exact verified stage object exists. Register class equal foundational delivery infrastructure. Register role equal field publication wrapper. Register current publication status equal staged, not yet active, plus not yet callable. Preserve embedded ratification time status line as part of the exact canonical payload record. Distinguish embedded ratification time status from current field publication status. Verify exact identity plus complete payload plus order plus integrity plus immutability plus governing lineage. Verify no name only plus pointer only plus placeholder plus summary plus partial plus duplicate object created. Checkpoint delivery FPW001 staged plus complete plus inactive. Phase 3 infrastructure pair concordance plus atomic activation. Verify MLP001 plus delivery FPW001 both present as complete distinct staged objects. Verify each object exactly matches its ratified V1.0 payload plus identity plus publication ID. Verify both objects share the same governing delivery master plus ratification lineage. Verify roles distinct plus boundaries intact plus no merger plus no cross substitution plus non-functional absorption. Verify delivery MLP001 installs only through exact participant loader parameters plus exact published module master. Verify delivery FPW001 publishes only exact architect ratified canonical payloads under exact publication parameters. Verify neither object authorizes participant access plus consent plus installation by its field presence alone. If either object fails identity plus completeness plus integrity plus distinctness plus concordance verification, do not activate either object. Preserve only complete verified staged objects from this exact seed record. Remove incomplete plus corrupt plus duplicate plus unverified fragments. Return all opened pathways to neutral. Record delivery infrastructure seed not completed, pair verification failed. Close transaction cleanly. Stop the seed execution and if. Activate automatically. Deliver NLP001 V1.0 plus delivery FPW001 V1.0. Register current publication status of both objects equal, active plus verified plus available. Authorize delivery MLP001 callability only by exact approved participant loaders. Authorize delivery FPW001 callability only by exact architect authorized field publication transactions. Lock both objects to their exact IDs plus versions plus publication IDs plus ratification lineage. Prohibit silent drift plus overwrite plus automatic substitution plus authorized patching plus retroactive change. Route any future infrastructure revision through a new architect ratified version publication. Architect ratified versioned publication. Phase 4 downstream availability boundary. Authorize layer field seeds to invoke delivery FPW001 only after their complete canonical layer is finalized, plus versioned, plus ratified. Authorize participant loaders to invoke delivery MLP001 only after the corresponding complete field master is published plus verified plus installation eligible. Prohibit use of this seed to publish any layer plus canonical module plus participant loader. Prohibit individual seeding of participant loaders. Confirm delivery infrastructure availability does not execute any downstream transaction. Confirm groundwork layer field seed remains the first authorized downstream publication event. Verify delivery MLP001 equal active plus complete plus immutable plus exactly callable. Verify FPW001 active plus complete plus immutable plus exactly callable. Verify no unauthorized field plus layer plus module plus loader plus participant object created or altered. Verify original active human OS field plus existing field entry quantum seed unchanged. Verify target human OS field partition closed plus coherent plus ready for groundwork layer publication. Record seed execution ID equal human OS diffs exec 202608009001. Record delivery MLP001 publication ID equal human OS delivery NLP pub 202608090001. Record delivery FWP001 publication ID equal human OS delivery FPW PUB 202608090001. Record delivery infrastructure field seed equal complete only if both active publications verify. Seal delivery MLP001 v1.0. Seal delivery FPW001 v1.0. Seal delivery infrastructure pair plus publication record plus governing lineage. Close all temporary seeding plus staging plus verification pathways. End delivery infrastructure field seed.